Yo, Instagram, yo, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Freshie. So we're just gonna get into this video, man, on how easy it is to get funded six figures trading. So yeah, let's start it. So first things first, I like to look and see what we're doing overall. I start with the 1 hour. Sometimes I even go to the 4 hour just to see what direction we are. First thing I notice is this giant fair value gap that has to be touched, that hasn't been touched. So let's go ahead and keep that in mind. As you see, we're already bullish. We're already rejecting that point, came back down. So my thought process here, I think we're going to continue to go down and fill this gap. See, around 9:15 is when I started getting ready. So I'll come here, I'll look and see what we're about to do. I'll mark out all my 5 minute highs and my 5 minute lows. Since we hit this, we're basically looking for something that's going to allow us to reverse and go back down to the sell side. So here we go. This is 1 minute. Do you have any IFVGs yet? Okay, we have one right here. It just got created. So what do we see? A strong V shape. We didn't hit this low right here. However, we did touch this candle that had no wick underneath it. So just keep that in mind. For me, that's how I like to trade. I look for those type of candles as well, for a rejection off of them. And sometimes I even use those to target like my TPs. So we get a strong V shape right here. We close very strong, like it's going down, stop, and then we break back up and we close above this IFVG right here. So now we take this long to the upside and we basically target a 1 to 2. 1 to 2 ratio right there. And I tend to put my stop loss like right underneath the candles. Honestly, you could have just put it right here because this box is supposed to protect your entry. So we'll just target a 1 to 2 right there, and then let's see how it plays out. Cool. We just smacked a 1 to 2, and when we took this out, if you wanted to play like a longer game, you could have put this at break even right here. Could have put that at break even right there, and actually even target the 5 minute high, which was right here. This is the one that got broken, so this became the new 5 minute high right here. Sorry, guys. And then basically, yeah, that's what we did. We targeted that, made like $1,500 for the day off this trade. You could have looked for some more entries, and let's see what this trade does next. So this becomes a new 5 minute high right here, and this is going to become the 5 minute low. Bounced off this point and then broke this high right here, and this became a new high. So this is the new 5 minute low, and this is the new 5 minute high. So we go to the 1 minute. Let's see if we're going to get anything else. All right, cool. We just broke this 5 minute low right here. Where are we going next? Let's see. All right, cool. We just broke right there. We actually closed above this. Let's see if there's something on the 30-second. You do tend to have this little IFVG right here. However, on 30 seconds, I tend to wait for it to retouch and then break up again. I don't like entering off the first IFVG that I see on the 30 seconds. So let's see how this trade plays out. All right, cool. You see why? So even if you would have took this trade right here, this is why. So if you would have took this trade, say, hey, yeah, this is a strong candle, which it definitely was, and you were to put your stop loss right here and then try to target a 1 to 2, like you would have got stopped out, even if you put it all the way down here. And this is where some people mess up on these trades. They get in right here thinking, yeah, this is IFVG. However, it wasn't strong enough. Like it wasn't strong enough at all. So all I did was wait for another IFVG, the second one, which it started right here and got created right here. And basically I wait and see if this next candle is going to close strong. All right, it didn't close right there. It closed right there. I could have entered right here off this trade, still had very strong momentum to the upside, and we could have targeted a 1 to 2, which should have been right here, or you could have waited for it to come back, retouch this point to get an even better risk reward, and then go up. So me, I entered off this, and I actually put this down here. I'll put these down here just in case. So let's see. Look, we bounce off of this right there, bounce off of it again, and now we shoot up right there, very, very strong. And then we come back down and we retouch this point. But now after it breaks this part right here, or closes above this area right here, this became my new break even point. So once we close above this, now this trade is going to become risk free. So let's watch. All right, cool. It closed right there. Now this trade is risk free, guys. Risk free. Now let's just move this over a little bit and let's see if we target and hit that 1-to-2 ratio up there. Right there. Perfect. It's that simple, guys. Like that strategy right there will make you guys a lot of money. That strategy right there will allow you to get funded 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures. If you guys like these type of videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do more of these type of videos. Keep supporting your boy. I'll keep dropping them for you guys. But until next time, it's your boy FX Freshie. Let's go.